Looking for a way to use your Christmas leftovers? Imagine a hearty warming bowl of beef and ale stew, steam rising, rich gravy tickling your taste buds, and the homely aroma filling your cozy kitchen. Yes, you can turn your festival leftovers into a savory feast. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 6 ounces of Chantenay carrots, 8 fluid ounces of brown ale, 12 fluid ounces of cooked beef cubed, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of garlic granules, 1 tablespoon of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 12 fluid ounces of beef stock, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of marjoram herb, 3 dry bay leaves, and Schwartz black pepper to season. Start by preheating your oven to 170 degrees Celsius, 325 degrees Fahrenheit, or gas mark 3. Once the oven is preheated, it's time to start cooking. Heat the oil in a stove-proof casserole dish and fry the onion for 5 minutes until softened. Then add the garlic granules and flour, cooking for 1 more minute. Next, add all the remaining ingredients into the casserole dish. Bring the mixture to a simmer, give it a good stir, then cover the dish and place it into the preheated oven. Leave it there for 1 hour and 30 minutes. While the stew is simmering away, if you have any leftover roast potatoes, here's a great tip. Simply crush them with a fork and heat them through in the oven. They make a great accompaniment to the stew. If not, serving the stew with creamy mash is equally delicious. In summary, this beef and ale stew is an excellent way to reuse your Christmas leftovers. It's not only a scrumptious dish that will warm your belly, but it's also a smart way to reduce food waste during the festive season. Plus, it's packed with nutrients from the beef and vegetables, and the brown ale adds a depth of flavor that will leave you wanting more. So the next time you're wondering what to do with your holiday leftovers, remember this recipe. It's a delicious solution that's good for you and good for the environment. Voiceover. Before we wrap things up, we'd like to take a moment to recognize all of our amazing subscribers. Your constant support and feedback have been instrumental in the growth and success of our channel. We truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new here and enjoy our content, don't hesitate to join our food-loving community by hitting that subscribe button. Not only will you be the first to know about our latest recipes, but you'll also be a part of a group that values delicious food and sustainable practices. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated. We have many more mouth-watering recipes coming your way. Stay tuned, and as always, happy cooking. Voiceover. We're not quite done with our subscriber appreciation just yet. We want to take a moment to give a special shout out to some of our most active subscribers. First off, a big thank you to Kitchen King 2021. Your comments are always insightful and your cooking tips are a treasure to us all. And let's not forget Baking Mama. Your enthusiasm for our baking recipes is truly infectious. We love your innovative ideas and can't wait to see what you bake next. We also want to acknowledge some of our other engaged subscribers: Spice Hunter, Vegan Dad, Chef at Heart, and many more. You guys make our community vibrant and engaging. Your love for food and your shared experiences make our channel a truly special place. And to those of you not yet subscribed, why not join our food-loving community today? Hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated on our latest recipes and tips. We promise it's a decision your taste buds will thank you for. Until next time, happy cooking, everyone. Voiceover. And now we have something a little different. A special shout out to our future subscriber from the year 2024. Yes, you heard that right. We're sending our love and appreciation forward in time. We can only imagine the kind of innovative cooking tips and mouth-watering recipes you might bring to the table. Perhaps a delectable zero-gravity soufflé? Or a time-saving instant gourmet meal? The possibilities are endless, and we're excited about the culinary journey ahead. We encourage all our viewers to continue this adventure with us until 2024 and beyond. Who knows, you might be the one inspiring us with your unique creations in the future. Here's to the future of cooking. See you in 2024, and remember, the best ingredient you can add to any dish is a dash of love. Welcome to Cooking Everyday Special. Hit that subscribe button now for an array of mouth-watering recipes and exciting culinary adventures. Can't stop thinking about cooking? Always up for trying new recipes and looking to elevate your culinary prowess? You've landed in the right spot. Welcome to Everyday Special, your ultimate go-to for tantalizing recipes, essential cooking tips, and loads of culinary inspiration. Here's why you should become a part of our cooking community, Daily Delights. Excite your palate with our diverse collection of recipes, from quick, no-fuss meals perfect for busy weeknights to gourmet masterpieces for special celebrations. Cooking made fun. Experience the sheer joy of cooking with our immersive tutorials and easy-to-follow guides. Whether you're a newbie in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, we've got something for everyone. Never miss a recipe. Keep up with our latest cooking wonders by subscribing to our channel and hitting notification bell. Stay updated with our newly uploaded videos and never miss chance to try something mouth-wateringly delicious. Join the conversation, engage with fellow food lovers in the comments section, share your own culinary stories, and exchange recipe ideas. Our community is a warm space where food enthusiasts come together to inspire and uplift each other. Make every meal special, with cooking every day. Special, every meal is a celebration. Explore how basic ingredients and a dash of creativity can turn any ordinary dish into a culinary delight. Craving more? What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button now and embark on a culinary journey packed with passion and infinite possibilities. Let's create something special together. Subscribe to Cooking Everyday Special and let the culinary adventures roll. Subscribe now. Link to your YouTube channel. Any adjustments needed to better reflect your unique charm and offerings, feel free to let us know.